Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about 30-year-old pregnant patients come to your clinic with decreased sleep, increased appetite and hyperactivity for last 2 weeks. The diagnosis of mania is made. Further probing reveals 4 episodes of major depression in the past 2 years. Which drug will you prescribe to this patient? There is decreased sleep, increased appetite and hyperactivity. So this is actually a symptom of mania. Obviously, the diagnosis is itself given, and there are 4 episodes of depression is also seen. So that means here the patient has depression that is in the past 2 years, and he has mania. So it is a bipolar disorder. But the thing is, she doesn't have a depression now, right? Now there is only mania. So what will you prescribe this? So first, what is the drug of choice for bipolar disorder? Definitely, actually, the drug of choice is lithium. But the patient is a pregnant female. If you give lithium in a pregnant female, this will cause Epstein anomaly. So to prevent that, we can use haloperidol is used in this patient. According to the APA guidelines, actually, if the patient is in pregnancy, and in pregnancy, according to APA guidelines, in pregnancy, antipsychotics can be given. Antipsychotics are given as alternative to lithium because lithium causes Epstein anomaly during pregnancy. So in order to prevent it, we give antipsychotics can be given. And in the antipsychotics, the safer antipsychotics in the pregnancy include haloperidol. Perfenazine is safest. Perfenazine, thioxanthine, haloperidol, perfenazine, thiotixine. Thiotixine. Thiotixine and trifluperazine. So antipsychotics like haloperidol, thiotixine, perfenazine and trifluperazine are better used for pregnancy. Can be used in pregnancy according to APA guidelines. Antipsychotics start faster. So in acute mania, in pregnancy, use an antipsychotic. But if the antipsychotics are ineffective, then what do you do? Then if antipsychotics are ineffective in pregnancy, then you can go to electroconvulsive therapy. Electroconvulsive therapy is safe in pregnancy. So electroconvulsive therapy can be done if the antipsychotics is ineffective in pregnancy. Thank you and thank you for watching.